Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. This Chevrolet is powered by rear-wheel drive, 6.2-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 26 miles. Experience the power and luxury of the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. Low mileage, exceptional condition, packed with high-tech features. Drive home the American dream, a Corvette at an unbeatable price. This pre-owned Corvette comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Chevrolet Corvette is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, head-up display, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.